So I just bought my first Game Boy Color and it's not looking good. So I bought this as a working unit initially at around 40 euros, including a Game Boy camera. But then the guy messaged me after he canceled the order saying that it had fallen on the floor and he couldn't sell it to me anymore because it wasn't powering on anymore. So I replied to that by saying I would have got the whole thing for 20 euros, even if it was broken. So the Game Boy camera and the Game Boy. And he agreed. So here we are. So I already fixed that because the problem was there's a lot of corrosion on the battery terminals. I think it's pretty clear that the batteries here pretty much exploded. The A button is really not feeling good. The B button feels okay. The D-pad, this side feels a bit mushy. This one feels a bit better. Start and select, I mean, they are universally bad on all Game Boy consoles before the Game Boy Advance. So just to show you that this thing works, I'm gonna power it on. Lamp. So I've got Mostri Tascabili here and we're gonna test that. Okay, so the D-pad is dead. Start button is dead. A works. I don't know if I can only press A on the main menu there, but like, I don't know. I don't remember that. So yeah, I can confirm this thing is broken. Just not gonna work. So I don't think the fall could have made the buttons not work anymore. I think that this was just full of crap while it was still being sold as working. And the Game Boy camera actually works. I mean, it looks like crap, so I don't know if it ever worked, but it works. However, there's something that wouldn't have passed even if this unit was working. Lo stronzo, Umariola, he sold this without any screws, pretty much. There's just this one screw here. And it's rounded to hell. So let's take a look at this. I think the batteries reproduced in this case. So actually, I thought the screw was missing from here, but it turns out the screw just decided to spontaneously become the Hulk. Just look at these. Ma che cazzo? No. So it's cotton. Let me just. Okay. So this came off. So I'm gonna put the cancer here somewhere else. So this thing is actually pretty dead. I mean, it's got a lot of things going on for being sold as a working unit. So let's try and give this a clean. Oh wait, I realized. U5 here has got some corrosion on it. Doesn't look like there's much going on underneath, but I'm still gonna desolder it and see what can be done about it. I don't think this was a good idea. I don't know if alcohol could have gone under the membrane. But if it did, I don't think it would easily evaporate from here. So here's how I clean corroded vias. I get some enameled wire and just go through the via and stick the wire through. And this helps removing the corrosion stuck inside. I was told by someone on a Discord server that I clean power switches like a pussy, so I'm gonna do it the proper way now. Cool. Just look at this. It's snapped in half. Okay. There's some plastic things here which don't make it sit flush. This actually doesn't reach all the way in, so the switch like this cannot be used. We're gonna have to modify the board. I'm gonna get my fiberglass pan and I'm going to extend the ground pads basically by scraping off until I find the copper. Okay, it looks like the wiring is correct. Let's hope it fits. Okay, it works. That's good. That's good. That's very good. So anyway, as I mentioned earlier, I think I saw some corrosion on here, so now I'm gonna work on it. So now that I've managed to... So now that I cleaned all the corrosion from here, we're going to touch up all of these joints. So I got everything cleaned and it's time to reassemble this. I have to say I'm pretty satisfied about this Game Boy. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. It's my first Game Boy Color after all. And a bit sad about the power switch because it feels a bit different now to use it. But at least it works. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, leaving a like if you want. And thanks for watching. I hope you're happy.